reaching barangay officials, the barangay tanods,
Mhm.
tinuturuan niyo sila ng form or techniques po on
Yes.
self-defense,
Oo.
po, which is very important
Mm.
sa kanila kasi they need to protect their lives and the
Mhm.
lives of their loved ones.
Mm.
Di ba po? Ang ganda ng advocacy ng group. And ang maganda pa nun, sir, I see also na may End Violence Against Women campaign kayo.
Mm.
So, tinuturuan nyo rin po ang mga kababaihan
Mm.
ng self-defense.
Mhm.
Di ba po? Sa ano pa, sir, to platform? Para po, ini-invite po kayo, yung group ninyo?
Yeah.
Opo.
Eh,
Para magturo ng particular...
Yeah. It's a good question. You know, marami kaming program advocacy na binubuo. Especially, it's gonna be a challenge. Paano mo i-promote kay Michelle to love Filipino martial arts sa generations nila?
Opo.
Might be, it wouldn't be kasi gonna feel boring for her or for them. So, nag-iisip kami ng programa paano siya mai-engage and learn how to love this culture, our culture, especially for the young ones and youngster. Ginawa namin, kinonect ko siya into different organizations sa